First Java program. I am going to show you how to create and develop your first Java program. I will explain syntax, class, and main method for Java. Then I will create the Java program using Eclipse IDE. When you create your project in Eclipse, the program automatically creates class with the same name of your project. Also, the main method gets created under your class. In this example, I created the Hello World project. The program creates the file Hello World class. The helloworld.java file gets created. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. In our example, the name of the class is Hello World. A class name should always start with an uppercase first letter. Public. That means that any other class can access it. The curly braces mark the beginning and the end of a block of code. Inside your class, the main method gets created. Public static void main strings args is called the main method. The class, the main method, have the curly braces. Print line, method to print a line of text to the screen. Print line is used to print an argument passed to the standard console. I pass my parameter, Hello World, into the print line. I am going to explain each element of main method. Public is access modifier. Static is keyword. I will explain more on static later. Void is return type for the main method. Main is method name. String is string class. Args is array string objects. The main method is required, and you will see it in every Java program. Use the print line method to print a line of text to the screen. Print line, the argument passed, into the system out. First Java program. I will show you how to create, build, and run Java Hello World program using Eclipse. First, launch Eclipse. Clicks on Close the Welcome tab. To create a new Java project in Eclipse, go to File menu, click on New, and select Java Project. For project name, enter Hello World. Use default value or other section. Click Next. Uncheck option for Create Module Info Java File. If you are using new version of Java, you should not see this option. Click on Finish. The Hello World project gets created. Under Hello World project, display JRE System Library and SRC directory for Java file. To create new Java class, go to File menu, click on New, and select Class. On the top display project name, Hello World /src. Under Name, enter name of Java file, Hello, then check Public Static Void Main. Click Finish. Your Java file gets created. We are using Eclipse IDE. On the top section, display different menu. Left-hand side display. Package Explorer is all of your Java code. Name of your project and name of Java file. In the middle, display your Java code. Under Console, display your output. On the top, you could click on Icon to run your Java program. Name of class is Hello. Main is method name. Backslash is comment. The line gets ignored during runtime. inside of body of main method, type system.out.println for printing on the terminal window and passing parameter hello world line of code ended with semicolon. On the top, click on icon to run your Java program. Under console, display hello world. Or, to run the program, click on your window or your Java code, right-click Run as Java Application. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. In our example, we named the class Hello. A class should always start with an upperclass letter first. Public, that means that any other class can access it. The curly braces mark the beginning and the end of a block of code. The main method is required, and you will see it in every Java program. Public is access modifier. Static is keyword. Void is return type for the main method. Main is method name. String, open square bracket, close square bracket, is string class. Args is array string objects. Use the println method to print a line of text to the screen. Println the argument passed into the system out.